the high. Yeah, same with the bottom. Once I see it hit and it doesn't break that, especially the second time it comes down, it doesn't break that. I got 2 points at the top and the bottom. I know it's moving sideways at that point, right? Again,
Okay,
we're going to use, there's a lot more that goes into seeing this. We use a lot of different time frames. The last thing I guess we'll get into really quickly, if you're down for it, is exactly how this candlestick is made. Yeah, what we're looking at these candlesticks. Again, like I said, there's candlesticks that go up and then there's candlesticks that go down, okay? So kind of saying that real quick. What a candlestick is made up of is 2 things. It's made up of a body, okay? I'm going to consider this a bullish candle, which would be an upward candle. It's made up of a body and what we call a wick, okay? I'm going to make the wick. Yeah, so we got a body and a wick. That's what a candle is going to be made of, okay? On the same side, I'm going to make this dark. Boom. We have, again, this is something that you're going to want to get used to is moving through this program. It's pretty simple trading view, but like I said, it's a little easier if you have a laptop to move on this. But this is another thing you're going to have to get used to. It's just, and this is what we'll go over next time, is just how to use this program. Today, I just wanted to teach you basics, just so that you can see exactly what we're talking about. And then next session, what we'll do is we'll kind of get into trading view. I know you're getting your laptop kind of soon. Okay. So we have 2 types of candles. Okay. In my case, on my chart, you'll notice I have these as blue and black, but it doesn't matter. There's going to be 1 candle. My blue candle is my bullish candle. Again, you've heard this. This is just regular stock market talk, right? Bullish candle, which will be a candle that goes upwards. Okay. So again, like I said, it's made of 2 situations. A bullish candle will start at the bottom. This is where price will open. Okay. There won't be a wick. What will happen is price will come up from that open. Okay. And if that market closes above where it opened, then we consider that a bullish candle. Okay. So again, if the candle opened up here, again, what happens is the candle moves both directions. Remember, like I said, the candle might pull up and then it might pull down, right? And then when it pulls away, that's what's going to start to create that wick right there. It's to pull away from that close, right? This is the opening. Okay, so if we pull down right away, boom. Okay, what's going to happen? It pulls back. That's going to create a wick to the downside. Okay, that shows rejection. That shows that the sellers were trying to come into the market, but they didn't want to come in, so it's going to push that thing back upwards, okay? And then maybe we hit a high point, the sellers come into the market, push it down. As long as we close above where we opened, we consider that to be a bullish candle. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Next candle situation we have is what we call a bearish candle, which is a sell candle, yeah. So a sell candle works the exact opposite way. What will happen is the market will open. It might move up a little bit, boom, and then pull back, start to create a wick, okay? And then it'll pull down, yeah, maybe hit a low and then pull back a little bit and then close. If the close is above the open, then that's what we call a bearish candle. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Again, wicks. What wicks will show us and why wicks are important is because that's going to show us rejection from that area, right? If the market came up, it tried to come up, but it rejected that area, right? There's a rejection. So there's sellers, there's people at that area. So a lot of times, if we see this in the market, for example, the market's going down, 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 and then the market actually pulls up and creates this crazy wick. And then just we get this, right? There's a bunch of candlesticks that we can also learn about. Maybe it creates this. This shows that the sellers could not take over this candle right here. Yeah, because at the end of the day, what happened, it turned blue and we just had this huge area to the bottom of where there was just wick. There was just nothing there. Okay, we can look at them all the time. Yeah, we have a pull down, a big wick right here. Look at this one. It pulled down, boom. At one point, the candle was all the way down here. Okay, this was a black candle. What happens is when it goes down, the candle will turn black, okay, for me at least, or it'll turn red depending on your color scheme. Yeah, down here was all the way black, and then what happened is there was a resistance right here and the market didn't want to go under that zone. Okay, you can kind of see, boom, 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 all these points in the past, right? We're always going to look. The only way we can see the future when it comes to trading is based on what happened in the past. Again, I told you everything happened in the past, really, of when we find break and retest, right? The break happened in the past, okay? So again, all these things happen in the past. We can see there's just an area that the market did not want to get below, yeah? Finally, the market did break below that point, right? Over here, we're still there. And then look what happened. Break, pull back, retest, and then continuation to the downside. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that's pretty much the basics of when it comes to trading. So we actually went over a couple more topics. We went over market phase, uptrend, downtrend, consolidation. We went over support and resistance, ceiling and floors, right? We went over break and retest. And then we went over candle structure, how a candle is formed and how a candle is created. Yeah, does that make sense?
Yeah, that's clear.
That's pretty much everything, bro. I think that's mostly what I want to get through today. I already know that's a lot of information. That's a lot to soak in. But now you can go over through that basics course. I'm going to stop